Hey guys, so I'm doing a simple power antenna mast replacement on a 2nd gen 4Runner. Now, I put this off for years because I thought it would be more complicated, but it isn't. There might be situations where you have to take the whole motor out, but usually you don't. So, first thing you do is you take off the little cap on there, and you can just use a pair of needle nose and grab some of these ridges on opposite sides and just give it a twist and it comes right off. And then what you got to do is get what's left of the old antenna out of there. So these are the pieces of what's left of my old antenna, and let me show you what that is. So here's the new one, and what you can see is there's a sleeve here, and so here's the old sleeve, and you got to make sure to get that out or else the new one isn't going to go in. So once you take that cap off I showed you, make sure you get the sleeve out. And then after that, you have to get what's left of the plastic toothed piece strap out of there, and then also what's left of the old mast, and that's all I had left of the old mast in there. So, and if you're lucky, make note of which way the teeth are facing when you take it out. It'll either be facing to the front of the car or the back of the car. Mine was in there sideways, so how I figured it out was you can open the passenger door and with the flashlight look in there towards the top, and you can see the power antenna motor, and you can see, so there's a tube that comes down from out of the top of the car, and then the motor itself is mounted on that tube, and it'll either be facing the back of the car or the front of the car, and your teeth should go in the direction that's facing. So mine's facing the back, and so I'm going to do it with the teeth facing the back of the car. At least I think that's how it works. So then in theory, so you need a helper for the next part, and that's to turn the radio on and off. So you turn the radio on, the motor goes to a position where the antenna would be all the way extended. You feed in the new strap and turn it off, and it should pull it all the way down. So that's in theory. I haven't done one of these in a long time, so we'll see what happens, but we're going to give it a try. So yeah, it should be nice and easy and straightforward. We're going to give it a shot. I got to go find a partner to help me out with this, and then we'll feed it in there and see what happens. So hang on, I'm going to go get a partner and give it a shot. So alright, be right back. Okay, so I got a partner in the car, and she's going to turn the key on and the key off when I tell her to. You can also turn the radio on and off. My radio turns on and off with the ignition, and it's got an on-off button, so it really doesn't matter. So you just want to, like I said, have the key on, the radio on. You'll hear the motor go, and when it stops we can feed it in. So alright, go ahead and turn the key on. So now I can hear the motor running. I'm going to wait for it to stop. Okay, it stopped. So now I'm going to feed this thing in. I'm just going to take a second and feel it around. Alright, go ahead and turn the key off. Now we're feeding it in. Now I'm going to put the cap back on. Hang on a second, huh? So you can see it fed in there really nicely. Now I'm using a pair of needle nose to tighten this cap down. not super easy. Alright, that's good for now. Okay, turn it on. Key on. Okay, and key off. It worked. The whole mounting's a little bit loose, but it worked. So awesome. Quick and easy fix. That took, to get the old stuff out, was 5-10 minutes. To get the new one in took what, 2 minutes? So I hope that helps you guys, because these things break all the time. So my next step is going to be, I'm going to install a switch. Take the radio out, install a switch to turn the power to the radio, that goes from the radio to the power antenna. So I could turn that on and off, so I can leave the radio on when I'm on trails and stuff, so this thing doesn't get hit by tree limbs or anything like that and gets broken again. So I'll be able to lower the antenna with the radio still on. So that'll be a next project, but yeah, antenna preservation. So anyway, I hope that was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. Nice, short, simple. So I hope, yeah, hope you all have a good day, and I'll see you later. Remember, hit the like button, subscribe if you want, hang out, see some more adventures. Going out into the Nevada desert this weekend, so I'm excited about that. Do some remote camping. So see you later. Bye. Thanks.